You faced any challenges with the ITCS till date?
No, sir. From beginning itself, like me and my mom were like so satisfied. Like everything, like time to time, everything has been taken place. We don't even have to text you. Like before, we could ask you, send everything, like all the details, documentation, everything was done by yourself.
ಸರ್ ITCS ನೀವು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟೇಶನ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಆಗಲಿ ಏರ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗೋದು ಬರೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಪ್ರತಿಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ನಿಮಗೆ.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So, sir, like like in a Karnataka, so many consultants are there. So, before choosing consultancy services and all, have you visited any places? You got any kind of remarks over there, and how you compare ITCS with them actually?
ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನನಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಭೇಟಿ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನನಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿ ಫೋನ್ ಬಂತು. ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನ ತುಂಬಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ತರ ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ. ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ನಮಗೆ.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Very good morning. This side Chhatradhari Mandal, Managing Director of International Training and Consulting Services Private Limited, Bangalore. It's a very pleasure moment for us. Today we are traveling to one of the prestigious University of Russian Federation, which is established in 1967. More than approximately, you can say, 70-year-old university. More than 25 batches of Indian already passed out, and very good FMG passing ratio, that is nearby 65 to 70%. So, in the series of making doctors from the India, today we are with Sheeba. They are basically from Bangalore, and along with her, their parents.
Hi,
So,
sir.
in this short interview, we'll just try to understand on what basis they have shortlisted this university and how they are satisfied with ITCS services. Hello. Hi,
Hi,
Sheeba.
sir. Hi, sir.
Very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
So, Sheeba, like my first question, as I ask with every student,
Yes, sir.
why you want to become a doctor?
So it's like always been my dream since childhood to be a doctor and like helping humanity and like I feel good when I cure people and stuff like that. So that's why I want to be a doctor.
Okay. So, for like the journey of becoming doctor is not easy.
Yeah, definitely.
It is just we are helping in the initial stage to make you into the board of the flight.
Yes, yes,
The next entire flight you have to only drive
Yeah,
actually for the further journey.
yes, yes,
Right?
yes,
So
sir.
make sure related to the non-academic part we are always with you.
Yes, yes, sir.
But related to the academic sections,
I
you
have
only
to
have to
do-
focus.
yeah.
You only have to work out.
Yes, yes.
Only you have to perform and
Yes,
all.
sir.
So, like, you faced any challenges with the ITCS till date?
No, sir. From beginning itself, like me and my mom were like so satisfied. Like everything, like time to time, everything has been taken place. We don't even have to text you. Like before, we could ask you, send everything, like all the details, documentation, everything was done by yourself. So you, your team, like everybody were like excellent. Like I can say
Thank
that's
you.
all.
Thank you. So consider if your juniors or if your seniors, somebody
Mhm.
looks to study abroad.
Mhm.
So for that, what message?
Yeah, I
you
would
like to-
definitely recommend ITCS. Like I don't think any other consultation would like put so much hard work and efforts to like do everything, like from A to Z. Like sir has like taken care of like everything. So like big hats off to you, sir.
Thank you. Thanks
Yes,
for
sir.
giving service
Yes,
opportunity.
sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Hello, sir. Good morning, sir.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಹೇಳಿ.
Namaskar. Sir, I just want from your side, till date, how you satisfied with ITCS?
ಸರ್ ITCS ನೀವು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟೇಶನ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಆಗಲಿ ಏರ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗೋದು ಬರೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಪ್ರತಿಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ನಿಮಗೆ.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So, sir, like like in a Karnataka, so many consultants are there. So, before choosing consultancy services and all, have you visited any places? You got any kind of remarks over there, and how you compare ITCS with them actually?
ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನನಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಭೇಟಿ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನನಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿ ಫೋನ್ ಬಂತು. ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನ ತುಂಬಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ತರ ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ. ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ನಮಗೆ.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Hello, madam.
sir.
I'm very happy that today you are also traveling with us,
Yes, sir.
and definitely it's a good opportunity for me. Whatever I committed for the Shiva, what facilities he is going to get over there, that you will have a chance to see, and after that putting your feedbacks and all.
Yes.
But till date, how are you satisfied with ITCS, madam?
Sir, I would say, we just saw a dream, and you kind of helped us fulfill that dream. That's all I could say. We always wanted her to be a doctor, and we were like, soon after the exams, we started looking out for consultancies and stuff like that. So as soon as we started looking out, I don't know, every time I was getting, a lot of calls, and but I've never visited anyone. But the only consultancy I visited was yours. The first day I met you, I kind of made my decision, like, yes, this is the one. Even though, other consultants still kept in touch, I was like, no, the way you kind of, spoke things, and the way you explained everything was like, very clear. And from day one till now, I think no one else would have helped us as much as you did, sir.
Thank you,
throughout the
thank you,
journey.
madam. And
Throughout
definitely
the
I
journey.
say that Cecilia madam has contacted you for the first
Yes,
time.
yes, first time.
Okay,
I
so
got
on the
from-
phone calls, how she had explained you about the things and all, so that you visited from long distance to ITCS office.
Exactly. So my, I stay very far, like, one part
Yes.
of Bangalore, and I have to come to HSR, which
Yes,
is another
yes,
part, like 2.5 hours, 3 hours maximum journey. So I just spoke to Cecilia ma'am once or twice on the call. Then I started my connect, and then once I, met you, that's when then we started connecting a lot about it. So I think, I didn't, journey didn't matter much, sir. All mattered was service that you provided to us. And,
Thank you, madam. Thank you, thank you.
And in terms of choosing the university, definitely we are sending our daughters. So I would recommend all the parents who are looking for daughters to go abroad to kind of reach out to you, so you can actually suggest what's good for their daughters. And I'm also traveling. Thank you so much for accommodating that also. So I don't have words to actually thank you so much.
I'll say, madam, welcome to Penza with us. Okay, so that you can see the live things, and later you can recommend for others also.
Sure, ma'am.
Sure,
Thank
sure,
you,
sure.
thank you. And this is just a small gift hamper. You can keep with you.
Take it.
Okay, and this is your important documentation parts and all. Okay, we'll start our journey in the next 30 minutes. So do complete backups, keep all the instructions, and follow me throughout the journey. Thank you, and you stay connected with us for the more